Zumba, Zumba, welcome back.
Zumba guys, welcome to my channel. On my trip to Sturgis, I bought this Rickrok kit. I have a couple of mounts for GoPro. I bought it for my street glide, but I'm gonna use it for something different. I'm gonna use dick clamp on my new Sportster S. Let's see how the videos look from this angle. Let's check it out. I'm trying the clamp first without the camera. Let's see how far we can go.
For the first take, I'm gonna use the new GoPro 10. This camera is lighter, and this bracket I don't trust it so much, so let's try with this one, then we're gonna try the 360. 4 minutes later, the camera is still in place and the bracket is still strong, so let's do the 360 now. And this is the GoPro 360. I'm so happy this bracket is working perfectly fine. The GoPro 360 is a little bit more heavy, but as you see, look at the angle of the camera. Look at how beautiful, man. Don't forget, crack kill. I approve Rickrok for the Sportster S. Now it's time to test it on the Panama Rica, guys. So, to the next video.